In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the sender email in Mailchimp. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started by logging into your Mailchimp account. Head over to Mailchimp.com and enter your credentials to access your account dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the main interface where all your campaigns and settings are available. Now the next step is to navigate to the Campaigns section. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a side navigation panel. Go ahead and click on the Campaigns tab. This will take you to a list of all the campaigns you've created, making it easy for you to find the one you want to work on. Once you're on the Campaigns page, you'll need to select the specific email campaign you want to update. Look through the list and find the campaign that you'd like to change the sender email for. When you spot it, click on the Edit button located on the right side of the screen. This will open up the editor for that particular campaign, where you can make all the necessary changes. Now that you're in the editing mode, it's time to adjust the From information, which is crucial for your recipients. Look for the section labeled From. This is where you can manage what your recipients will see in their inbox. Go ahead and click on this section to open it up. Here, you'll notice fields for the sender name and email address. It's important to keep this information clear and professional. So let's type in your new sender name. This is the name that will be visible in your recipients' email boxes. After that, enter your new email address, which is also essential for ensuring your emails are easily recognized. I can't stress this enough. Be sure to double-check for any typos. A small mistake here can lead to emails ending up lost or unrecognized by your audience. If you're using a different email domain than usual, make sure it's one you're ready to represent, as it will impact your open rates and overall brand image. Once you've entered the new sender name and email correctly, the next step is straightforward. Click the Save button at the bottom of that section. This ensures that all your new sender details are locked in and ready for your campaign. Now, you may want to preview your changes before you send out the campaign. It's always good practice to see how the new sender information looks in the inbox. Once you're satisfied with everything, you are all set to send your campaign, knowing that your emails are coming from a fresh and accurate sender address. And that's it. Changing the sender email in Mailchimp is a simple process when you break it down step by step. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe.